my music is better than yours. Look.
You know, my music is better than your music.
Oh, please. My ukulele is better. I am great, you know.
I play the violin much better than you do.
Oh, really?
Okay, if you are great enough, try and take this egg.
Eat it, girl.
Try to make it float.
I get an idea. Watch me. Prepared to be a maid.
Wow. Give up, huh?
You have superpower or something? How did you do that?
It's simple. Of course, when you put the egg into the tap water, it will sink. This is because the density of the egg is much higher than the density of the tap water. But when you add salt to the tap water, the density of the salt solution will be much higher than the egg. So, the egg will float. Now I'm greater than you.
No. You are greater than me if you can inflate this balloon without blowing it with your mouth.
Impossible! How can we inflate the balloon without blowing it?
Of course we can. Watch me. Let's take a funnel here. We add soda, this baking soda into it. And then, after I've done that, I leave it there and then I add a vinegar. Half of this 500 ml bottle should do it, but since this is and then we should do SCD just there. Put the balloon there and then lift it at the carbonate end.
Wow! The balloon inflates!
Well, science is a way of thinking. Due to the chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar, which created carbon dioxide, which we use to blow this balloon. You see, this is getting quite a remarkable sight. The science behind this balloon baking soda experiment is the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar. When these two ingredients mix together, the balloon gets its lift. The gas produced from this chemical reaction is carbon dioxide. As the gas goes up into the balloon, it inflates it. Similarly, we exhale CO2 when we blow up balloons. So now, I'm greater.
No, I'm not defeated yet. Follow me. Well, let's go. Ready? Take this test. Try and make it invisible.
How can I make it invisible? Unless I put it under my shirt, it's invisible now.
No, you cannot do that. Actually, we only need a vegetable oil and a beaker. Firstly, pour some vegetable oil into the beaker. And then pour some into the vegetable too. Then you immerse it into the beaker. Now can you see?
No, it's really invisible. But what happened?
Glass object is visible because it both reflects and reflects light. Every material has an index of refraction. If a transparent object is surrounded by another material that has the same index of refraction, then the speed of light will not change as it enters the object. No reflection and refraction will take place and the object will be invisible. In this case, the vegetable oil has nearly the same index of refraction as the test tube. Thus, the test tube is invisible when we immerse it into the vegetable oil.
Science is the way of thinking.
Now, can you admit that I'm greater than you?
Not yet. Have you brushed your teeth this morning?
Of course!
Do you remember how your toothpaste looks like?
Why are you asking me this silly question?
If you are really great, you can make a giant toothpaste.
Huh? Like this?
Bigger.
I'm done. You are great.
We can do this by the catalytic decomposition of hydrogen peroxide with potassium iodide. Well, the first thing we should do is put about 4 ml of dish soap. And then a few drops of soft food coloring. Do you see any bubbles or gas form?
No.
Well, this will take quite the time. So we're going to speed it up by adding potassium iodide on this particular chemical.
Wow! A giant toothpaste!
We have the reaction taking place a lot quicker because we added potassium iodide and it acts as a catalyst
resulting in the eruption of foam resembling a huge stream of toothpaste. Here comes the name giant toothpaste. Science, a way of thinking.
Wait, boss. We are out of break now.
What is this sound? Both of you are great if you can read this message on this paper.
Huh? An empty paper? The heck?
How can you read the message in an empty paper?
Science is a way of thinking. Ha 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 ha.
Wait, have you ever heard of the invisible ink?
Oh, you mean the milk message?
Yes, there must be. A cotton bud is dipped into a milk and it is written on the paper.
The milk is then absorbed by the paper. The milk will evaporate, but the milk fat does not evaporate and will stay on the paper. After the paper dries, the message on the paper is invisible. Like this paper.
Okay, now we take a pencil and a piece of sandpaper. Rub the pencil with the sandpaper. Now this way around, the graphite from the pencil starts to slowly fall on the paper. Across the graphite, and you see the message is starting to appear.
We got it! The graphic sticks onto the milk fat, making the written message appear invisible. Congratulations! Science is the way of thinking. Yay! You are great.
No, we